Hi, this is Paul Wise and welcome to the Lawn Vets video series. In this short video I'm going to be sharing with you some information on fleas. So how do you check your pet for fleas? Firstly, look for the distribution pattern of any skin lesions, or put simply, where in your pet's body is the hair loss, crusts and scabs. If they're along your pet's back or around the neck, the fleas are the most likely cause. Please note, if the lesions are elsewhere, that doesn't mean your pet doesn't have fleas. Examine the coat to look for adult fleas, or perform a coat brushing to look for flea feces. It should be noted that if your pet has a flea allergic dermatitis, then finding evidence of fleas can be extremely challenging. So what are they? They're small reddish-brown insects, 2 to 3 millimeters in length, laterally flattened, or in other words they're thin, so they can move very efficiently in between the hairs of your pet's coat. They have a complex life cycle consisting of adults that live on your pet and various developing stages that can live in your house and outside in the environment. What do they do? Well, they have mouthparts that are designed to penetrate your or your pet's skin so that they may then suck blood. So in effect they're tiny little vampires. Why should you be worried about them? Well, flea bites can be very irritating, both as a result of the mechanical action of being bitten and in addition due to you or your pet developing an allergic reaction to the saliva the flea injects whilst feeding. This can cause skin irritation, and in some cases this can be very severe. In addition, it can also lead to your pet becoming anemic and the transmission of diseases and parasites. Back in the Middle Ages, fleas were of course responsible for the transmission of bubonic plague or Black Death, which killed millions of people throughout Europe. Even today, fleas are the primary route of transmission of myxomatosis, which is a big killer of wild rabbits and can also affect our pet rabbits. It has been suggested that they may have the potential to transmit a number of conditions that affect cats, including feline leukemia virus, feline immunodeficiency virus, feline infectious anemia, and the agent which causes cat scratch fever. They're also a common source of tapeworm infections, particularly in cats, but this can also affect dogs and indeed humans, typically small children or toddlers, so there's a health issue there for people too. And lastly, what is it that you can do about them? Well, fleas are best controlled by the regular use of quality antiparasitic products, which you need to apply to your pet on a routine basis. Now, I can't overemphasize the point that you really must use a quality product regularly to prevent flea infestations. If, however, you already have a flea problem, then only 10% of the flea population will be adults on your pet. The remaining 90% of the problem will be developing stages in your house, typically in your carpets and your pet's bedding. Though, even if you don't have carpets, fleas will flourish in your furniture and even your bed if your pets are allowed on it. Regular hoovering and washing your pet's bedding will help with control. If you allow flea infestation to build up in your home, you will need to treat the environment with a household spray or similar product. Please note that these environmental products are not 100% effective, and so a quick spray will not immediately solve your problem. It can take 2 to 3 months or more to regain control. This is why, as I said before, that it is best to think in terms of preventing problems from developing in the first place. As time passes, fleas tend to become resistant to older methods of control, so that products that I was recommending, say, 5 years ago, may now be less effective. If you want to know which products are currently the safest and most efficient at controlling fleas, then please do contact the surgery. As always, if having watched this video you have any questions, or if you encounter any difficulties, then please phone or email the surgery. We're here to personally help give you the very best advice and treatment for your much loved pet. Thanks for watching this video. Any feedback would be very much appreciated.